So today's lesson builds on lesson 99, which was the arc length of a circle. So in this example, it's asking us that the pizza has been cut into 8 equal slices and the radius of the pizza is 11 inches. We have to find the length of the crust of one slice of pizza. So I'm going to use the same formula, 2 pi r times theta over 360, but this time you'll notice theta is not given to me. So therefore, I have to take the whole circle, 360, divided by the 8 equal slices, and I get theta as 45. So now I'm going to say 2 times pi times 11 times the part of the circle that I care about, which is 45 over 360. So in my calculator, 2 times pi times 11 times the fraction of 45 over 360 gives me 8.64 inches. For the next example, this time I'm asked to find the area of the sector. And you'll notice that according to our state formula sheet, we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tack on the part of the circle I care about, which is again theta over 360. So in this case, I care about the 45 degrees because what I'm looking for is the area of the darkened part, the area of the sector. So I'm going to say pi times my radius, which is 13, times the part of the circle I care about, which is 45 over 360. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 63.33 yards squared. Because this is the area, I make sure that I square the sector. The third example asks me for the area of a sector, and this time I want this part. So I'm looking for the area of all this stuff inside. My angle is 240, my radius is 6, so I use the same formula, the area of a circle times theta over 360. And guys, you'll realize that this formula is given to you on your state formula sheet for the EOC. So once I compute that, I'm going to get 75.36 meters squared. And then for my last example, it's the same kind of thing. Find the area of a sector. Again, I'm looking for this part. So that's going to be 135 over 360, 7 squared, which is my radius squared, and I'm going to get 57.70 inches squared. Remember that it is important that you know the difference between this formula and the circumference. The circumference tells me the distance of this outer part. That outer part is called the arc length. This formula gives me this distance, this area all in here. So it's the whole blue area. And that's why we have to make sure, because it's the area of this. So when you're asked to find the area, make sure that you use the area of a circle formula.